So over here, you can see that I got these 4 sentences right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and let's say, for example, combine these 4 sentences or whatever sentence that I have in column B right here. But I don't know the formula to it. So I'm going to go ahead on to Qwen right here and say I have sentences in B column right here, just like this. So I want to combine all the sentences of different cells in B together, no matter how many new sentences I keep on adding in the column, just like this. So I'm going to say generate an Excel formula for this right here. So now I may not know a formula, but you can see that it is actually telling me to use text join right here. So it is taking the B column and it's using the text join feature. So if I were to go ahead and copy this, and if I were to go around over here, now I can simply go ahead and paste this formula right here, and you can see that this is the sentence that you have right here. So you can see that it combined out these sentences right here. Let me just go around over here and wrap the text, and you can see that now I have this sentence right here, and if I were to go ahead and move this down, you can still see that they are combined. So now I can go ahead and say, hello, how are you doing right here, just like this. And you can see that it simply adds that sentence in this particular cell right here. And that is how you can go ahead and generate out Excel formulas that you like with simple plain English using Qwen as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.